Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning letter S. S for sun, right? So you can see how the capital letter S and the small letter S looks similar, right? Only the size is different. So you are going to make a curve and continue curve. This is how we are going to write letter S. So say the names of the pictures that begin with S sound and color them. Say the names of the pictures and begin with S sound and color them. S for seal and S for sunflower. Repeat once again. S for seal and S for sunflower. So you have to color these pictures, both the pictures. That will be your homework. We'll go to next page, that is S for soap and S for sack. Here you are going to write down with your pencil, okay? So let's start writing S for soap. Each time when you write, you have to say and write. What will you say? You have to say S for soap, S for sack, S for sunflower, and S for seal. So here you can see there is a red line and blue line. We are going to start from the green dot and we are going to continue from the red line to blue line. हम रेड लाइन और ब्लू लाइन के बीच में लिखेंगे, ओके बच्चों? So start from the green line, make a curve and continue curve from till the blue line. This is how you are going to write it with your pencil. Once again we'll do here, we'll start with the green dot, make a curve, continue curve and like this. S for sun, S for soap. This is how you are supposed to write. You have to write each and every box, you have to write, and when you write you have to say and write, okay? Now we'll go to next page. There you have to write a small letter S. So trace the pattern to complete the snakes. So just start tracing these lines, and this is how you are going to complete the pattern of snake, okay? This both you have to do. Now let's start writing small letter S here. Trace and write letter S. So we'll start from this you have to write in between two blue lines. Start from here and like this. S for snake, S for soap, S for sack, right? Like this you have to write it down, okay? So now there is a capital letter S and as well as a small letter S, where you have to write it down in the whole page you have to complete. That is your homework, okay? Next you can see underline S in the words. Underline S in the words. So there is a word, some words given here: fast, sat, sun, soup, bus, sad, set, rose and sail. So here we are going to underline only the letter S. You can see there is only letter S in between. So we'll just underline those words. Similarly you have to do in this box as well. That is your homework. Write S below the pictures. S for sunflower, S for sack, S for soap, S for socks, S for sun and S for 6. You have to say and write. Okay, start writing capital letter S, capital letter S, and then small letter s, capital letter S, small letter s. This is how you have to write below the all the pictures, below the pictures. Okay, so till now we have completed till letter S. So here there is some exercise given here from letter P. So P, Q, R, S. Now match the capital letters to the small letters. How will you match it? This is capital P, this is small p. Just you have to match it. Okay, like this you have to do it. That is your homework. Write the missing letters in each row. Now from A to S you have learned till now, so you will be knowing the alphabets, right? तो after D आपको कौन सा लेटर आता है? D के बाद E, E, F, G, H, I. ठीक है, फिर N के बाद क्या आता है? O, P, Q, R, S, J. अभी स्मॉल लेटर्स. J के बाद K, L, M, N, O, राइट. M के बाद M, N, O, P, Q and R. Right, this is how you are supposed to write it down. Okay, next you can say the names of the pictures and write P, Q, R or S below them, then match the letters. आपको पिक्चर्स के नीचे लेटर्स लिखना है जो लेटर्स उसको बिलोंग करते, जैसे कि P for pigeon, S for sunflower, R for rose, P for peacock, C for scissor, okay sorry, S for scissor, Q for queen, Q for quail and R for rabbit. So once you complete writing the letters, you have to match it. How will you match? P for pigeon and P for peacock. So you have to match it. Okay, that is your homework. So next page, we'll go to next page. Look at the picture and circle the correct letter in each set. So this is the picture of snail. So S for snail, so circle this letter. M for moon, so circle this letter. Okay, you have to make a circle. Then R for rocket, circle this letter, R for rocket. This is how. N for nose, O for orange, Q for quail and P for pillow. You have to circle those letters. And same in the notebook, you have to write letter S. You have to write letter S. Okay, you have to make a 4 columns and you have to write capital letter S and small letter s. 3 times you are going to write the letter S. Okay.